orange and red go together. Plaids and stripes. On today's episode, we talk pairings. To start off, my drink of the day is a mint julep. It's a pour of your favorite bourbon, 4 muddled mint leaves, half shot, simple syrup, and a lot of crushed ice. This is a great drink for your seersucker suit. As you can tell, I'm not wearing my seersucker suit today, but I still love this drink. Now on to today's topic, pairings. I've been often asked, how do I go into my closet in the morning and pick out an outfit to wear? Well, I'm here to share a few tips on how I achieve that every day. The first tip is pairing bold and simple. Bold suit, simple shirt, and a bold tie. Or you could do the reverse with a simple suit, bold shirt, simple tie. Just remember to have the contrast. And that takes us into the second tip, which is contrast. You can wear plaids and stripes, but they need to contrast and also fit your personality. I'm often seen wearing a nice window pane or even a chalk stripe suit with a very thin penciled stripe or a small check. It's got to fit your personality. When guys are building the basics, they often start with a navy suit and a gray. Again, previous videos we've addressed this, but they often ask, can I wear brown with my gray? And the answer is yes, as long as there's contrast. The lighter the gray, the easier it is. If you wear a dark gray, it's going to be very hard to pair a brown shoe with it, like a charcoal. At that point, you could wear an oxblood, or just stick with black. In that same vein, in these more casual times, the discussion of the navy blazer with denim is a popular topic. That is, of course, if you decide to wear a pair of trousers to your Zoom meeting instead of pairing your navy jacket with a pair of shorts that ends up on your nationally televised interview. All kidding aside, yes, you can pair your navy blazer with a pair of jeans. Just make sure there's enough contrast going for a medium to light wash. So just remember, keep it bold but simple. Use contrast that matches your personality. And make sure to allow enough contrast to set each piece apart. That's it for this short and sweet episode of Drinking with Style. I'm your host, Kyle Doherty, and thanks for stopping by to have a drink with me.